So the book Tasty, it's all about tasty food, fun, gives you a warm smile, you want to share it, you want to enjoy it, but most of all I want the book to get you to cook the simple things in here, and just with a little twist they've been changed, you know what I mean? It's a little bit more fancy. Think of a sausage roll for a vegetarian, yet we've done one, and it's with skirlie, a Scottish stuffing with oatmeal, but sweet potato in it, some spice, some thyme, and a lovely golden puff pastry. Look at it, look how gorgeous it is. Even vegetarians can have that wonderful feeling of beans and sausage roll now. We've got burgers with a twist, a little bit of spice in there with fantastic chips. We've got chocolate samosa, yes, a samosa made with chocolate. It's got a lime and curd filling, and we've got my favourite Nutella pancake gatto. Just something that you can get your teeth into, and so simple to make.